Did you know that over 80 billion servings of iced tea are enjoyed in the US every year? But what if your next glass of iced tea could surprise your taste buds with flavors like fresh basil and strawberry or pineapple and ginger? Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today, we're unlocking the fun and creativity of DIY iced tea by exploring unexpected flavor combinations that go beyond the usual lemon and mint. Whether you're a tea lover or just looking for a refreshing twist this summer, these unique blends will inspire you to craft your own signature iced tea at home quickly, easily, and deliciously. Traditional iced tea flavors like lemon, peach, and mint are classic for a reason, but sometimes they just don't excite anymore. Finding unique, exciting iced tea flavors can be tricky if you're sticking to store-bought options or the same old recipes. That's why experimenting at home is the best way to discover fresh, vibrant combinations that suit your taste perfectly. Here are some surprising iced tea flavor combos to try: strawberry and basil, sweet and herbaceous, pineapple and ginger, tropical with a spicy kick, cucumber and mint, crisp and cooling, blackberry and sage, earthy and fruity, hibiscus and orange, tart and citrusy. Start by brewing your favorite tea base black, green, or herbal. Add fresh herbs or fruit while the tea is hot to infuse flavor deeply. Muddle ingredients gently before adding to release their essence. Chill the tea and serve over ice, adjusting sweetness to your liking. One standout combo is pineapple and ginger. Brew strong green tea, add chopped pineapple and fresh ginger slices while hot, then steep and cool. Strain and pour over ice for a vibrant, refreshing drink with a perfect balance of sweet and spicy. It's a flavor adventure that's as fun to make as it is to enjoy. Today's journey took us through exciting iced tea blends like strawberry basil, pineapple ginger, cucumber mint, blackberry sage, and hibiscus orange. Each offers a fresh way to enjoy iced tea and encourages you to experiment with your own favorite ingredients. What's the most surprising iced tea flavor you've tried or want to try? Share your ideas in the comments below. For more creative tea recipes, check out our video The Art of Tea Blending, create your signature. And don't forget to subscribe to Tea and Coffee Explorers.